everybody. My name is Jamal alashab. I'm a professional petroleum engineer. I'm holding a bachelor degree and master's degree in petroleum engineering. I have almost like 40 years of diversified experience in oil and gas, mainly upstream. I have the experience was also basically diversified through technical, operation, and engineering experience. In addition to leadership position I have held in ADNOC. Most of my experience basically was in ADNOC, offshore, and in this event I would like to thank ADNOC Offshore Management for their great help and support during my work with them. Will provide to the oil and gas industry, especially the upstream, different kind of services like consultancy, like development of training and soft skills development. In terms of consultancy, we develop manuals, standard manuals for operation and technical part of the oil and gas industry, like WIMS, Well Integrity Management Systems, which will deal with basically the well integrity issues over the life cycle of the well, from the day of planning until the day of abandonment. And these standards and these processes and procedures, of course, needs competent people in order to deal with it and in order to honor it. So the other services in terms of developing operation and technical manuals is drilling quality standards, which will basically deal with to ensure high standards of the drilling operation during the life cycle, during the drilling operation and life cycle of the well, in order to ensure and minimize the cost and minimize the NPT, which is non-productive time, and ultimately produce a healthy well over the life cycles. These kind of standards, drilling quality standards, basically to ensure the equipment that is going to be used from the third party or from the operator, and the competency of the people that operate these equipment and these tools. Also, we provide other specific technical studies and projects like rig integrity assurance audit, like well integrity and field audit, in order to ensure the operability of these equipment and the rig, especially focusing on the safety critical equipment, and to ensure also the competency of the people that operating these equipments, and the handling of the operation itself throughout the drilling phase of any well. Other kind of specific studies and is the audit of the well itself, the wells and the field. Basically, we audit the standards, we audit the operation process, we audit ensure the competency also of the people that handling the well integrity operation and maintenance issues. It's very important to, and also to make sure that the management of the certain company is involved and own these kind of processes and procedures, and ensure their implementation over the life of the well. In addition to the consultancy services and developing the manuals and the auditing services of the wells and the rigs itself, also we conduct specific and special studies like SIMOPS, simultaneous drilling operation, which is basically identify the risk that when you have another operation simultaneously going on through with the drilling operation, with the drilling rig itself on the site or on the production facilities or platform. For the simultaneous drilling operation, basically, any kind, we conduct risk assessment, risk registers, and provide the mitigation of each risk and each unsafe acts during the simultaneous drilling operation, whether slickline, well testing, or rigorous intervention, or any type of construction, maintenance jobs being carried out on the wells, adjacent wells, mainly on the same production platform or on the same production facilities while the rig is there. The last specific studies and projects that we conduct and we do for the service companies is to pre-qualify them for API Q2. API Q2 is sometimes, or most of the time, basically, is very essential to be certified, to certify their service company that provide and conduct services for the operators. And for this specific job, we prepare the manual, we train the people, and all the documentation that necessary to be ready for the service companies in order to be certified by the API body. So those kind of procedures and the manual and the standard, the system, and the training the people also is part of that manual that we prepare it for the service company in order to be ready and certified by API body. The other type of services that we provide to the oil and gas industry is the training and workshop, professional training and workshop. So we conduct several types of training on courses on gas lift technology or artificial lift technology, whether gas lift, whether electrical submersible pumps, ESP, whether any other type of artificial lift that we need. The other courses we conduct is related to the well integrity, which deals with the well life cycles, and the life cycles from the starting of planning until all these phases, designing, installation, operation, production, and to the end of the life of the well, which is abandoned. Also, we have courses basically on the flow assurance, how to manage the scale, deposition, treat it, manage it, monitor it, and analyze whatever the fluids that might involve to enhance the scale or asphaltene deposition across the tubing, production tubing of the wells, or across the reservoir. So we have these courses to provide expertise and knowledge to the attendees to deal with these kind of things. Other courses like we conduct related to the drilling, either to the drilling problem optimization, which is basically identify the problems that might happen and provide the solution, or whenever the problems is happened, and provide the mitigation measures during this kind of operation or problems. Other type of training course that we provide is rig awareness. And this kind of course is basically focus on the rig component, their functions, how to secure most of the safety critical equipment of the rig in order to ensure their safety and the safety of the personnel or the crew working on the rig, and enhance basically the performance of the rig. So this kind of course is basically as introduction to the newcomers to the companies or the drilling supervisor that is going to be hired and will be working on the rig itself. Other course we conduct is dealing with the wellhead equipment and Christmas tree. This course is designed for the production people, the field people, and the maintenance people who are basically in charge or operate the well and provide maintenance to the well, and which is focusing on these things in order to improve and enhance the performance of those people and knowledge of the people, production people and maintenance people who are working basically on the wellhead in order to ensure its function. How to operate these wells, especially the well barriers from the gate of the valve, different kind of the valves, and the other stuff as a part of the Christmas tree. Other type of consultancy services we provide is soft skills development, and this will deal with performance, leadership performance, time management, work management, and establish and design a proper organization, what's called PDO, which is performance driven organization. These kind of skills to develop the people who are working in these things in order to increase their productivity and have best work quality and optimum time, basically, and according to the management plan. Last things, I would like to mention our strategy for training and development. We have 40% lecturing, 30% practice, the other 30% is videos related issues. At the end of my talks and the introduction, I would like to thank you for your listening, and if you need any details, further details, you can visit our website and our social media accounts.